Have you ever dreamed of buying or finding your own home in Italy? But every time you try, everything seems complicated? Paperwork, contracts, brokers, notaries, and all in Italian? We understand how difficult that can be. That's why Banks 4 all created the Property Ownership Package, a complete service that makes your dream home simple, safe, and transparent. Whether it's your first home or your second, we're with you at every step. From the first consultation to the moment you receive your keys. No property agencies, no hidden commissions. Just a clear, honest, and step-by-step process. We start by understanding your goal. What kind of property are you looking for? How much can you invest? Do you prefer to buy with a loan or in cash? Once our initial evaluation is complete, we prepare a clear and transparent contract where every term and process is written out, so you know exactly what's included and how it works. Home search without any agency, document preparation, financial evaluation, and mortgage assistance coordination with the notary property ownership transfer. In short, everything you need to buy your home in Italy, all in one complete, simple, and transparent package. To start the process, you pay 50% at the time of signing the contract. The remaining 50% is paid only when we deliver our promise, when you receive full ownership of your property. That's the Banks 4 all promise. You pay only when your dream becomes real. With Banks 4 all, you're not just buying a house, you're gaining trust, guidance, and peace of mind. Start today with the Banks 4 all property ownership package, the easiest, safest, and most transparent way to buy your home in Italy. With a